All right, ladies and gentlemen, technical difficulties with our camera, but me and Jess are out for a little adventure. It's raining. It's been raining for days. We're gonna go try and see if we can catch a waterfall that was dried up the last time we were here. You might remember it from one of our other videos. If not, you should go back and watch the other videos. So we're on our way right now, on the road. We'll be back to you in a minute. All right, we are out getting some adventure in the wilderness, in the Outback Wilderness. It's an amazing car. She just does so great. I'm gonna walk down here, take a look at the river. It's definitely up. We've gotten a little bit of rain in the last little bit. Ooh, them rocks are a little slippery. They definitely are. Yeah, the weather's turned. We're definitely getting, winter's getting here. It's making me want to get out more. Well, I always want to get out more. So, get out and go to the woods if we can. Wow, them rocks are really slippery, even with my boots. My boots don't like it. We're hoping that there's a little waterfall nearby. Last time we were here, it was dried up. I'm hoping that it's actually flowing today, but we don't know. It should be, with all the rain we've gotten in the last couple of days. We will see. All right, we're almost to a little trailhead up here. Go down. I don't know if it's flowing or not. We're gonna keep checking. We're gonna keep checking this place every time we come through, just to see, because we want to see what it looks like when it's flowing. Definitely a little overgrown in here, but we don't care. I don't hear it, which is surprising considering how much rain we've gotten. Just stop, take some pictures. Oh, we got a tree down. That wasn't down like that the last time I was here. A little one now. Oh, I think it is flowing. I'll be there in a second. It is flowing. Not very much, but it is. More than it was the last time we were here. Cool. All right, there you have it. It is flowing. We did get to see some water coming over it. We're gonna keep checking here though every time we come up, because we come up this way a lot. I'm gonna get it when it's really flowing. Last year we came up here in the snow. I bet you it was flowing really good then. That would be a fun little, it's not a very long trail either. It's very short. I bet it'd be fun in the snow. All right, we're gonna make our way back to the car. We parked a ways away just so we could walk. So I will see you guys in a minute. All right, welcome back. Welcome back to another day, same day, but we saw a sign a while back that was like half broken and said falls. We just came back up, drove a little around, finally found it. And well, I think we found the trail. We found a trail. We're gonna go check it out. So, part 2 of our adventure, November 7th. Whew. Joe and Jess on another at Bitonti's Adventures. So, see you in a few. All right, we're on the trail. I don't know where this goes. Or the name of this waterfall. Not sure how far it is. We can hear some falls down there. Actually, I can almost see them. Whew, new falls, unknown. There's no name because all the signs are busted. So, like, the sign that actually has the name is completely busted in half, and all you can see is the last half, and so it just says falls. And then we pulled off the side because I was gonna turn around, and I was like, is there a trail there? And then we actually could see the back side of the broken sign. And so we drove up, said, yeah, that is the sign that we saw last time. And then we came back down and found the actual trail. And there's a post where there's probably supposed to be a sign on there saying where, and there's just nothing there. Oh, tree obstacle. The adventures that we find. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so we found it. We just can't get to it right now, but it's like this massive log jam. And over there on the other side, there's like a 4 or 5 foot waterfall. So you can't see it, and you get to it if you wouldn't mind getting wet, which it's cold and it's raining. I had to put an extra layer on, so I'm not even gonna try to get over there today, but I will come back now that I know this spot's here, and been by here a million times. I never knew this was here, and probably a really cool spot in the summer. And we are gonna come back here next summer, and we'll almost see it over there. But we made it, we found it, we hiked it. Now we know it's here, we'll be back. So thanks for joining us on this little adventure, whatever it was. We were just trying to get out of the house, get some steps in, go someplace we had someplace, see something we hadn't seen. Got to see the waterfall flowing at the other place. Got to find this spot. So I'm gonna call it a success. See you next time.